He was 17 when it happened, just a normal day, driving home from practice, music up, windows down. Then, out of nowhere, boom, a drunk driver ran a red light, T-boned his car going 60. When the medics pulled him out, he wasn't breathing. They had to shock him twice in the ambulance just to keep him alive. He woke up 3 days later, broken ribs, shattered leg, collapsed lung. Doctors said he might not walk again. He didn't cry. He didn't complain. He just said one thing: when can I start rehab? It took months. Every step hurt. He had to learn how to move again, eat again, live again. But he never gave up. While others partied, he was crawling across the floor just to build strength. 1 year later, he walked across the stage at graduation. No crutches, no help, just him and that unbreakable mindset. Today, he runs marathons, speaks at schools, and every scar on his body, that's just proof that